Hello everyone. So this is our lesson for today. So how are you today? I'm happy. I'm good. I'm great. Very good. Okay. So what's your name? My name is. How old are you? I'm. Okay. Let's go to numbers. Let's count. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, let's have this one shapes. This is circle. This is triangle. This is square. This is rectangle. This is oval. What shape do you like? I like. Okay, let's go to colors. It's white, it's pink, it's purple, it's blue, it's orange, it's green, it's black. What color do you like? I like. It's my birthday. That is our topic for today. Let's go to our lesson. Lesson 1 and 2. Okay, let's have this one. Balloons. Balloons. Cake. Cake. Party hat, party hat, dinosaur, dinosaur. Again, balloons, balloons, cake, cake, party hat, party hat, dinosaur, dinosaur. Okay, so that's our lesson for today. Goodbye.